Okay guys, do you guys have a lawnmower that don't start, that has no spark? I'm going to show you how to do a quick fix on it because I just took it all apart, cleaned it up, and found out that I was an idiot on this one. I learned something today. Go ahead and try to pull it like you normally would. Okay, do it again. Not starting. Now the problem I found, I took the coil off, I watched a double wide 6 video, we cleaned it all up, I've already did all that. I put a new plug in there. That I already did. It was running fine. And I found out that this here, if this is not on all the way, because the kill wire leads up to this little thing inside here, which after I took this off, I found that it just led to that. So I assumed that that was a magnet. So once I lined this up here and pulled it all the way down, until that clicked in and that metal rod went all the way down. Now pull it. I wasted a lot of time, but you know what? We got it running again. So in the end on this video, the only reason I want to make this quick video is because I watched, a video, and after I already, I already did everything that was in the double wide 6 video. But he had the same exact lawnmower, except his was just a little different. So I'm like, man, I already did all that. Damn, that doesn't fix my problem. But then when I went to take off the back to look at the wiring, I noticed that there was just a little kind of like square thing with the indent that it went into. And I was like, wait a second. So I put that thing on and I made sure I clicked either the bag or the mulch plug into there. And then fired right up. So I'm thinking it's either some kind of magnet system. I didn't look into it too much, but I've never ran into this problem. I ran into no sparks, fixed them hundreds of times. But this problem in particular on this yard boy here. So it's either because it clicked in and there's like a magnet that pulled them together because it was metal in there, whether it's the mulch plug or the bag, or when the metal went in there, it's making contact between this pad and this pad to allow it to run. So if you guys have an idea what you think it is, let me know down in the comments below. I'm glad I fixed it, but too bad I spent a bunch of time doing bullshit, but it is what it is. If you want to see a bunch of other lawnmower repairs, bam, whole playlist right here. Right here, YouTube, they know what you want to watch next. Bam, right over here, hit that subscribe button. See ya.